Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar Sharma from USAI Gorakhpur, and this is my second video of class 10th of chapter Life Processes. The topic we are going to discuss in this video, that is nutrition in plants. As we discussed in previous video about photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process in which plants trap solar energy and it converts into chemical energy. And with the help of that chemical energy, they prepare their own food with the help of raw materials such as carbon dioxide, water, in presence of chlorophyll, and make simple sugar, that is glucose or starch. Let us see here. Nutrition in plants, that is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means to prepare or combining. Is the synthesis of simple sugar like glucose from carbon dioxide and water by the cells of green plants in presence of chlorophyll. By using light energy, oxygen is released during this process as a byproduct. Oxygen gas is given out as a byproduct. The complete equation for photosynthesis can be written as 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. C6H12O6, that is glucose, and oxygen gas is released, 6O2. What are the events which are happening during the process of photosynthesis? The main events during photosynthesis. Let us see here. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere enters into the leaves through stomata. What are stomata? Stomata are pores which are present in green plants, especially on the surface of leaves, though they are also present on stems, green stems, but they are specifically present on upper and lower surface of leaves. And these stomata or pores help in gaseous exchange or other purposes. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere enter into the leaves through stomata. Water from the soil is taken up by the roots and sent to the leaves by xylem and is distributed to mesophyll cells. Sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll present in the mesophyll cells. Solar energy causes photolysis of water. 2H2O, and it is breaking into 4 hydrogen and O2 is released in the environment. Next, hydrogen ion from the water combines with CO2 and forms glucose, the simple sugar. oxygen produced as a byproduct during the process is given out in the atmosphere. Solar energy is converted into utilizable chemical energy and is stored in glucose molecules. Glucose is used as a source of energy. Starch, cellulose, protein, fats are also synthesized from glucose. Extra glucose is stored in the form of starch in different parts of the plant. See here the picture. Basic photosynthesis. From leaves, photosynthetic process happening in leaves. Oxygen is released. Sunlight. Carbon dioxide taken from atmosphere and water from soil, and they make simple sugar during the process of photosynthesis. Importance of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the only process by which green plants converts solar energy into chemical energy, and the chemical energy that is in the form of ATP and NADPH, and that chemical energy help in preparing the food for themselves and for other living organism. Okay, sun's energy into food for all living beings. Photosynthesis is the only natural process in which oxygen is liberated into the atmosphere. Oxygen is necessary for the existence of life on the earth. Means in photosynthesis there is preparation of food for all living beings, and in this there is release of oxygen which are essential for living beings in their respiration. Fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, natural gas were produced by photosynthetic organisms millions of years ago. Photosynthesis helps keep CO2 concentration in the atmosphere constant. CO2 being released during respiration by living organism is used during photosynthesis as the raw material for preparing food in case of plants or photosynthesis, that is CO2. And CO2, as we know, CO2 in higher concentration is a pollutant. So photosynthesis also help in minimizing or maintaining the concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere. Okay, let's see next. Leaf, a photosynthetic organ. Though photosynthesis mainly occur in leaves, but in some plants where the whole body is green, the stem or branches also do this photosynthetic process. Okay, leaf, a photosynthetic organ. Photosynthesis occur in green parts of plants. Leaves are the main photosynthetic organ to carry out photosynthesis most efficiently. A leaf shows following adaptations. There are so many adaptations which a leaf attains. Few of them are here. Let us see. Large surface area. Why large surface area? Large surface area help in trapping more and more sunlight. Okay, large surface area to absorb maximum light energy. The leaves have broad and flat leaf blade that provides very large surface area. Leaf arrangement. The leaves are arranged at right angles to the source of light so that maximum area is exposed to light. Presence of spongy parenchyma in mesophils. Large intercellular spaces among spongy parenchyma. Intercellular spaces means the space between two cells. Spongy parenchyma. Cells help in easy diffusion of CO2 to every cell. Next one, presence of palisade parenchyma in mesophyll cells. Palisade parenchyma cells are densely packed, means closely packed, tall and thin cells with many chloroplasts to absorb maximum light or sunlight. Thinness of leaves. It enhances the rapid transport of materials between adjoining cells, means from one cell to another cell. Presence of stomata. Numerous stomata in leaves allow the rapid exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Presence of chloroplast. These are concentrated in the cells of palisade parenchyma in mesophyll layer just below the upper epidermis of the leaf to obtain maximum sunlight. Extensive network of veins. The extensive network of veins are vascular tissue. Veins, that is vascular tissue like xylem and phloem, which help in transporting mineral, water as well as food. The extensive network of veins of vascular tissue in the leaves help in the rapid transport of materials to and from the mesophyll cells. Xylem vessels deliver water and mineral salts, and phloem sieve tubes carry away organic products of photosynthesis. Means here there is two vascular cells or complex tissues, xylem and phloem. Xylem